question of the day. Comment down below, what is your guys' thing that you hate most about doing DoorDash, or what's the most annoying thing? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Daily Dash. Today, we're starting off the day, it's a little later in the day. I just got a boba and some Soho sushi burrito, well actually the bowl. And I was sitting here trying to get an order that would help pay off this meal, which cost $11.50. And we got just that. We got an order for $12.50 from Panera Bread. It goes a little bit out of my way, but I'm a little far away from my house anyways, so it goes generally back towards my house. So we're gonna do that real quick, pay off this order. Perfect day to start off. Like, it's nice. It's what, 67 degrees right now? Feels way hotter than 67 degrees. It's like almost summertime, it seems like. It seems like in Las Vegas we went from winter straight to summer. Like, there was like one day of spring and it was like, nope, super hot. We're gonna skip the middle. Anyways, all right, be right back to figure out what this video is gonna be about, because I don't know. Oh, also, if you guys have any ideas on videos you want me to talk about, just leave them down below. I look through all the comments, so if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I will for sure look at them. Got the order. Let's grab back there. And we still don't know what the video is gonna be about yet, but I'm doing some research on the Google thing, so we'll be right back. I'm gonna keep this intro short till I figure out what this video is about. Just dropped off the first order. And today I'm gonna talk about most annoying things that happen as a DoorDash driver. So, one of them just happened right now, and that was, excuse me, burping up boba. Not one of the most annoying things, but okay. So, when someone doesn't give you a gate code, and then you're sitting there at the gate, and it's like awkward because they're not answering the phone, you know? If they answer the phone, it's all good, you know? But a lot of times, they don't answer the phone. So, now it's kind of awkward because I gotta like press customer not answering or whatever those buttons are, and you gotta sit there and you gotta wait, and then you gotta sit there for 5 minutes until, like, I don't know, until it goes up and then the food is yours. But fortunately I was there for about 4 minutes and 20 seconds and then finally someone came up from behind me and let me in through the gate, and I'm glad they did, because for one, I didn't want Panera Bread. For two, they gave me an extra $5 tip. So it's like, man, you like did such a good job. They gave me this nice, awesome tip, which means they probably added like a $10 tip, to be honest, because that order paid me $16.25. But they didn't pay attention enough to put the gate code, and also they had hand to customer. I rang the doorbell and I stood there for what, like probably a minute or two, because like I don't like to just leave it there. Never answered, so I had to go back and take a photo of their address, just because like DoorDash, I didn't need to take a photo because they selected hand it to customer, and I couldn't hand it to the customer, so I had to take a photo of the house and stuff. So that's one of the most annoying things. I'm gonna think about this for a few seconds before I come up with two more of my most annoying things on DoorDash. All right, super annoying, a DoorDash thing 2. This is the second most annoying thing. And I always say that it's like delivering to apartments or casinos or something, because anytime you have to do more than just walk to someone's door from your car, I mean, you always have to walk to the door, but like if it's not a house or something and you got to get out of your car, and like I did a hotel or a casino delivery in Vegas the other day, and I had to walk like half a mile to their room. Like, not only did I have to park in the parking structure, I had to walk all the way to their room, which was all the way across the other side of the casino, all through the smoky like gambler area and stuff of people who are doing super well in life, and then get to their room and walk all the way back. And it was all for like, I only took the order because it was like $7 for 1 mile, but man, I did not realize it was going to casino. So that's the second most annoying thing as a DoorDash driver. Comment down below, question of the day. Comment down below, what is your guys' thing that you hate most about doing DoorDash, or what's the most annoying thing? I would say the third one for me is crappy cup holders. And I've said this many times before, but those crappy little tiny cardboard cup holders. And I know a lot of you guys were like, you need to get these awesome cup holder bags and all this stuff. And I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm not like getting a bunch of DoorDash stuff, because I just do it super casually, like as I'm doing it right now. It was just literally on the way back from a restaurant to pay off the food that I just bought. So if I was doing DoorDash full time and like actually making a living off of DoorDash still, then I probably would do that. But I'm trying to balance a bunch of different businesses, and I just do DoorDash when it comes and goes and stuff. Oh, you know what really is annoying though? When places, especially Five Guys, have really greasy food and it freaking gets on my seat, and then later it looks all like white and gross because there's grease on the seat, and I have leather seats, and it's like, if I didn't have leather seats, it would just like seep into the seats. Ugh, that'd be gross. But anyways, yeah, when places, especially Five Guys, that's the first thing that pops into mind. Or a lot of like Chinese food places, they just have super greasy bags, and for some dumb reason Five Guys uses paper bags still, even though Five Guys and Wingstop, they have paper bags for the most greasy places. It doesn't make any sense. Why has no one slapped him in the face and be like, dude, use plastic bags because you have greasy food, and grease does not handle well with plastic or paper bags. So anyways, comment down below what you guys think is the most annoying thing about being a delivery driver. So one of the topics I was potentially going to title this video, because I was just going through Google and I was typing in DoorDash incidents, DoorDash, all these things, and then one thing that popped up was this DoorDash driver. I think it's pretty recent because it said like 3 days ago. It was a video of this DoorDash driver trying to deliver food to a hospital, and it's very weird because she keeps saying, I'll try to find the clip and I'll try to insert it real quick.
That's what we got told to do by our job. 600 question, additional security in the main office. Sir, I need to step outside. Stop filming.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
There's no filming in this hospital.
I have to take a picture.
You can't film it here. No filming in this hospital.
Sir, please stop walking up on
There's
me.
no filming in this hospital.
Well, while you have the food, I have to say that
Please step out this hospital. I told you not to put on the camera. You want your stuff out.
it's not my stuff. Please don't do that.
All
It's
right?
not my
Do not
stuff.
film in this hospital,
Please don't,
ma'am.
but don't touch me. I would like six. I would like 6 feet, please.
I will have to detain you.
6 feet, please.
I will have to detain you.
Please. You got the order. They got the order. Sir, I don't have nothing to do with that.
Outside. Ma'am, I told you no filming.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
6196, I need additional security in that line. Sir, you're calling the back of this room. I'm trying to talk to you.
You shouldn't have to. Give him the food. He's an employee. We did our job.
I told you to not
Please
film.
don't touch me.
I'm gonna have to detain you.
You'll have to, but don't touch me. My job says I have to. The customer told me to drop it off. I have to take a picture. That's what I'm doing. Since he took it and he threw it away, I have to prove that I didn't do that. Have a great day.
She keeps saying I need to take a photo as she's filming though, and I'm like, why are you filming though if you need to take a photo? All you need to do is take a photo of the bag and then leave, and then tell the DoorDash or tell the customer like, hey, your food's with the security guard. But she's kind of like making it into a big deal and like saying like, oh, I need to take a photo, but how can you take a photo if you're filming with your phone? I don't know. I guess I don't really care about DoorDash that much to make a big deal out of anything, you know. If like there's any kind of incident or something where I could possibly get in any sort of danger at all, that food is getting dropped on the floor and I'm like, peace, I'm not even dealing with this right now, you know. Like it seemed like she was kind of escalating it, and it was just a little weird because if you need to take a photo, which we do when we're delivering food, you just put it down and take a photo. But why would you be video recording the whole situation? I don't know. To me, it didn't make sense. I was like, what? Well, if you need to take the photo and then bounce. Like, if you can't get to the person, but you're dropping off with security guard, just tell the customer. I don't know. It was really weird. For me, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm kind of rambling right now, but I don't care about the DoorDash customer or like the DoorDash money or my job that much to put myself into any sort of situation. If anything starts escalating, I'm like, peace, I'm out. Like, just drop off the food and go. You know, take a photo and be like, this is where your food is. Or drop it off outside the hospital or something, you know? I think it was a hospital where she was delivering it. Anyways, alright. That's going to wrap up today's video because I actually have somewhere to be in 20 minutes and we're currently driving there right now. So we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a nice big like. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.